make the points in the notes. So gene rearrangement, you already know that this is a phenomenon in which a programmed DNA recombination event occurs. Okay. DNA recombination is already programmed. Okay. आप कहोगे जीन रीअरेंजमेंट गैमिटोजेनेसिस में हो रहा है, क्रॉस ओवर हो रहा है, डीएनए रिकॉम्बिनेशन हो रहा है, तो दैट रिकॉम्बिनेशन इवेंट वेदर दैट कैन बी इंक्लूडेड इन डेवलपमेंट? नो, क्योंकि वो गैमिटोजेनेसिस में हो रहा है. डेवलपमेंट इज स्टार्टिंग आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जाइगोट. ओके, सो आप कहोगे, इसमें लिखोगे कि this is a phenomenon in which programmed DNA recombination event is occurring during cellular differentiation. A programmed DNA recombination हो रहा है cellular differentiation के दौरान to reconstitute a functional gene from gene segments separated in the genome. To reconstitute मतलब कि फिर से एक फंक्शनल जीन बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे VDJ सेगमेंट्स हैं in the genome. Many types of V, many types of D, many types of J's are there. But to make a functional VDJ recombination, you need 1V, 1D, and 1J joined in end-to-end fashion, tandemly. So this is required. So between these V and D, many V's can be there, many D's can be there. So 1V, 1D, and 1J only should be there at one time. So that recombination is required to reconstitute a functional gene. Functional gene को फिर से बनाने के लिए from the gene segments separated in the genome. So the most studied case of this gene rearrangement are the antigen receptor immunoglobulin T cell receptor. एंटीजन रिसेप्टर, एंटीजन के दो तरह के रिसेप्टर आपने पढ़ा है. एक तो एंटीबॉडी, इधर एंटीबॉडी इज सरफेस बाउंड. एंटीबॉडी भी दो तरह के, सरफेस बाउंड एंड सिक्रीटरी. And both these antibodies are basically immunoglobulins. Another type is T cell receptor. Okay, आ रहा समझ में students? So these two types of gene rearrangement are seen in two different types of cells. This you observe in B cell, this you observe in T cell. Okay, and this one is also the most studied one. Most studied case of gene rearrangement are the antigen receptor. One is immunoglobulin and another one is T cell receptor genes in vertebrate lymphocytes. सारे vertebrate के lymphocytes में these gene rearrangement in B and T cell takes place. Okay, and you already know that the coding sequence of this variable regions of the antigen receptors are split into V variable, V for variable, D for diversity, and J for joint segments. In developing lymphocytes, VDJ segments are combined through DNA recombination reactions. This you have studied already. Okay, VDJ recombination. आप इम्यूनोलॉजी में जो पढ़ा है वहां से आप यहाँ पर डाल सकते हो.
Yes.
फिर भी मैं समराइज कर देता हूं कि in developing lymphocytes, VDJ segments are combined through DNA recombination reactions, depending on, and this recombination reaction is depending on, you know, this RAG1 and 2 enzymes, and these are recombination activating genes, as well as some DNA repair proteins are also involved in this. Suppose if in this gene recombination, some error has occurred, so DNA repair proteins will come and do that repair. So this process generates antigen receptor diversity, this you already know, and this allows adaptive immune defense against a large variety of pathogens. And with the help of this gene rearrangement, we eliminate the threat of a large variety of harmful pathogens. Okay, so the gene arrangement also play crucial developmental roles here in eukaryotes. Crucial developmental roles. Okay, students, कितना समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
तो इतना समझ में आ गया तो this topic is complete now. Okay.
Okay,
Gene
sir.
amplification and rearrangement during development is over. इतना का नोट बना लोगे. This is more than sufficient for your syllabus. Okay, student. Shall we
Okay, sir.
end the class now?
What, sir?
Shall we end the class now?
Yes, sir.